This movie is the story of a dried walnut tree turning into a piece of art. Avrasya Dipcik is a globally leading brand established in 2017 with 100% paid capital and 3 generations of gunstock blank manufacturing experience, including the know-how of our production facility that has been preferred by tens of countries. Thanks to its experienced team, production in high-quality standards to meet the needs in the sector in the fastest way, wide service references in the Turkish and world markets, and strong after-sales support. Avrasya Dipcik makes production in its new facility in Düzce. Avrasya Dipcik, which shapes the R&D and production according to the requirements and demands of gun manufacturers and stock masters, is among the leading companies in the sector thanks to its technical infrastructure. Avrasya Dipcik, which carefully selects the walnut trees as raw material that have lost their productivity from all parts of Turkey and died due to natural events, landslides and lightning, brings these products to the factory stock area and keeps them there. Avrasya Dipcik, which has the most equipped stock factory in Turkey, classifies the trees taken from the stock area and prepares them as timber in its high-capacity sawmill. The team of Avrasya Dipcik, which has extensive and years of experience in the field, cuts the tree and creates a blank by foreseeing its water, veins, and the way it will be mounted on the gun. Blanks are cooked with high-pressure steam according to the geographical area where the tree came from and the color profile. Our blank masters carefully ensures the correct amount of steaming is provided according to the density and color. After blanks are steamed, melted wax is applied to the waterway sides to prevent fast drying and cracks. Waxing process ensures the end product has not warping or cracking issues. In our storage and stocking area, we have around 100,000 pieces of very high-quality blanks already drying for minimum 3 years each. Avrasya Dipcik produces products with its own brand, which is 100% domestic and national to the countries and thus represents the Turkish brand in the world stock market in terms of quality and sales figures at the highest level. Avrasya Dipcik processes the waste wood pieces from production in the pellet production facility and packs these products and makes them ready for use. In addition, Avrasya Dipcik is a 100% environmentally friendly organization that offers the remaining wood pieces from the production of stocks to both the domestic and foreign markets for the production of tables and decorative products. Incorporating all production and maintenance processes, Avrasya Dipcik offers all its products to the service of the world. Avrasya Dipcik already leads the industry on sustainability and social responsibility. We highly value our employees. We plant new tree saplings sustainably to our 300,000 square meter farm in Çanakkale, Turkey, so next generations will also have this valuable resource. Avrasya Dipcik, www.avrasyadipcik.com